In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create element library in Figma. We're going to build a reusable element library by pulling high quality components from the Figma community and bringing them into your own project. This approach is great when you want a fast starting point for buttons, inputs, cards, and other UI elements without designing everything from scratch. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page or inside your workspace, look for the community section. The community is where creators share files and components you can explore, duplicate, and adapt for your own work. It's a reliable place to find well-structured design elements that already follow best practices. Inside community, use the search bar and type element library. This will surface a range of ready-made files. Browse the results and pick a library that matches your design style and platform needs. You can skim the preview thumbnails and descriptions to understand what's included, things like typography scales, color tokens, buttons, cards, and form controls. When you find one you like, open its page and click Open in Figma. This action brings the file into your workspace so you can view and work with it. After it opens, select the components or frames you want to use. You can drag to Marquee Selector section or click the top level frame for a neat copy, then copy them with your usual shortcut, switch to your project file and paste. You'll see the elements appear on your canvas, ready to move, align, and organize. If the file includes multiple frames, consider keeping them together as a source section within your project so you know where your components live. This makes it easier to update them consistently later. Now, customize. Start by renaming components clearly so teams can find them with search. Adjust colors and typography to match your brand by applying your existing styles, or create new ones and apply them across the components. Check constraints and auto layout settings so elements resize as expected. Small tweaks here will pay off when your designs scale. Update icon sets or imagery to match your product. If the components use variants, like button states or sizes, tune those properties so they reflect how your team builds interfaces. Try to edit at the component level rather than detaching instances. That keeps everything consistent and easier to maintain. And that's it. You've sourced an element library from the community, brought it into your project, and tailored it to fit your system. Save your file and you're ready to design faster with reusable, consistent components.